Hello guys, welcome back. So today again we have one more interview question. Question क्या है कि हमारे पास एक PC है and we have the another PC, PC2. PC1 have the IP address 192.168.1.1/30 and PC2 have the IP address 192.168.1.2/29. So question is PC1 and PC2 should able to make the communication or not together. That's the question. So guys, here PC1 and PC2 will able to make the communication. Doesn't matter, they have a subnet mask different. How? Because of if you are going to use the ping command from the PC1, so PC1 is going to first perform the AND operation. It's going to check destination IP does belong to the same subnet or different subnet. So PC1 is going to match the total how many bits? It's going to match the 30 bits. And PC2 is going to match the 29 bits. Just try to understand what will happen exactly. 192.168.1.1. If you are going to convert into the binary, so that will be 1 1 6 times 0. Then after that 168, so 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. Then 0 0 0 4 times 7 times 0 1 and then again 7 times 0 and 1. What is the destination IP? That will become the source IP. What will be the destination IP? Destination IP is 192.168.1.2. It's again going to convert into the binary, will remain same. Then 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. Then again 4 times 0 0 0 1 and then 7 times 0, sorry 6 times 0. It's 3 6 times 0 and 1 0. This is the binary of this. This is my destination IP and this is my source IP. It's going to perform the AND operation. PC1, what have the subnet mask on the PC1? So PC1 have the subnet mask 255 255 255 and 252. That means /30. So PC1 is basically going to match the initial 30 bits. So how it's going to match? It's going to match the first bit, second bits. So similarly, if you can see, so initial 24 bit is matching, means first 3 octet is common. Then after that, in the last octet, what it is going to do? It's going to match the first 6 bit. It's also matching. So for the PC1, it's going to assume this destination IP does belong to the same IP address, right? Similarly, once this packet, it is going to forward a packet. Suppose first of all, what it will do, it will forward the ARP request. In that ARP request, what will be the source IP? The source IP will be there 192.168.1.1. What will be the destination IP? This targeted IP address. Targeted IP address is 192.168.1.2 and then source MAC is that is A1, targeted MAC is that will be unknown. It's a 12 times 0. That will be my targeted MAC address. It's going to encapsulate into the layer 2 header, and into the layer 2 header, what will be the source MAC? Source MAC will be there A1 and destination MAC, that will be a broadcast MAC address FFF. It's a broadcast MAC address. So once you are going to use the ping command, it's going to initiate it's going to make the ICMP packet, but to forward the ICMP, that ICMP, to forward the ICMP, it's need the destination MAC address. So before going to forward the ICMP, it's going to just forward the ARP request. that ARP request will reach there now, and once it will be reached to the PC2, PC2 is going to send the reply back. So what the PC2 will do, PC1 is matching the how many bits, guys? As we discussed, it's going to match the first 30 bits. But on the PC2, what is the subnet mask? On the PC2, the subnet mask is there 255, 255, 255, 250, 248. So it's going to match 29 bits. So if it is going to match, then in that case, what will be happen? That will be a source IP, and that will become a destination IP address. So it's going to match the initial 29 bits. So initial 29 bits is also matching. If you can see, it's matching, guys. So for the PC2 also, this IP belong to the same subnet. For the PC1 also, it's belong to the same subnet. So they will able to make the communication. So question is, in which case they will not able to make the communication. So suppose there is an IP address instead of 2. Suppose there is an IP address 4. It's a valid IP4. If you are using the /29, it's a valid IP address. So in that case, they will not able to make the communication, because from the PC1 you are going to use the ping command. So instead of the 2, it's 4. Then what will be the binary of that one? So binary of that one, that will be 100. So PC1 is going to match initial 30 bits, which is not matching. So for the PC1, this IP address does belong to the different subnet. And if it belongs, if the destination IP does belongs to the different subnet, PC is going to look forward for the default gateway. So right now we don't have any router, we don't have any default gateway. So in that case, PC1 and PC2 will not able to make the communication. But yes, if the IP address is 192.168.1.1 and there is an IP address 192.168.2, then still they will able to make the communication. Doesn't matter, they have a different subnet length. Because of the AND operation, it's going to match the only initial. PC1 is going to match the 30 bit, PC2 is going to match the 29 bits. So here it's a common 30 bits is matching. But in the second case where the IP address is .4 and here is the IP address .1, so it's not matching. It's the first 30 bit is not matching. So in that case, they will not able to make the communication, guys. So thank you, guys.